Hey everyone, today I'm going to create a very soft brown makeup look that is so wearable yet a very glam look. You can wear it at the daytime, at the night time, for any function. So keep on watching, I will show you everything step by step. As you can see, I have already created the base makeup. I have already put the primer and foundation all over my face, and now I'm going to start off with prepping my eyes. Let me tell you something before that. My left eye look and the right eye look may look a little bit different because of the light coming from the left side, but basically I'm going to create the same look in both the eyes, so I hope that won't bother you. However, for prepping, I'm using this concealer from LA Girl Pro. It's a good concealer, has a good medium to buildable coverage. However, I'm using it on my entire lid. And the entire makeup that I'm showing in this video, I'm going to do this with my fingertips. I'm not going to use any of the brushes, so that it can look much convincing and very easier for the beginners as well. However, I'm blending my concealer all over the lid so that the eyeshadow doesn't crease afterwards. This helps really well for protecting your eyeshadow from creasing, and it also stays for a longer period of time if you use a concealer and set it with some powder before that. However, I'm putting the powder so that it can be set well after putting the concealer. This one is from PAC, the same loose powder that I have used in my previous video. This particular powder is very lightweight, and it will definitely create a smooth and proper base whenever you are going to use any dark eyeshadow or any bold look. This two steps will make a correct base for your bold eye look or smoky eye look. As you can see, I've blended the powder with my fingertips on my lid. Now I'm going to start off with the kajal pencil, and this one is from Sugar in the shade Brown Bag. However, I'm going to put this kajal pencil near my lash line. You don't need to be so precise during doing that, because I'm just roughly pulling the line so that I can smudge it afterwards. So you can just pull the line near as possible from your lash line, and afterwards you have to blend it well. As you can see, the color is a dark brown kind of color. It has a warmer tone. It will look very natural if you just put this kajal and go out. It will look very beautiful. You don't even need any eyeshadow. You just need to blend it now with your fingertips. As you can see, I'm doing on my outer corner and near the lash line. It's very important tip or the step. You actually need to be very precise with blending, because blending is the key, especially when you are using any dark eyeshadow or creating any bold eyeshadow look. You have to blend it with patience. That's very important. I'm using this kajal pencil again to intensify the color, because I think I will need a bit more darker color. That's why I have used it again, and I'm blending it near the lash line and also in the outer section of my eyes. However, as you can see, I have blended the eyeshadow already, and now I'm going to bring another color to my eyelid. In this particular look, I'm going to use the Nykaa palette. I'm using the darker brown eyeshadow so that I can intensify the color that have been created by the eye pencil. This is the same eyeshadow color actually. It's a dark brown, having a warmer tone. I'm just putting it in the outer corner of my eyelid and near the lash line over the kajal. Whenever you are putting kajal before the same colored eyeshadow, it will hold the eyeshadow for a longer period of time. This is a kind of tip, you can say. If you're using black smoky eye, or if you're using black shadow, then put black eye pencil before that, and this will hold your eyeshadow for a long period of time. And the same thing I'm doing right now. As you can see, I'm blending this particular eyeshadow in the outer corner and near the lash line. Also I'm putting it in the lower lash line so that it will look put together well. You need to blend in the lower lash line as well because it has to look very natural and kind of wearable look for a regular period of time. This is very very important. Blending will make it look softer, otherwise it will look a bit patchy. However, now I'm going to take the lighter shade. It is going to be used as a transitional shade. I'm going to use it in my inner corner and the middle of the eyelid so that it will look like a transitional shade, lighter to dark. As you can see, I have to blend it in the upper portion of the lid and the inner corner and the middle of the eyelid. As you can see, I'm blending it on the upper portion of the lid and also in the middle and the inner corner of my eyelid. And here on top of this, I'm going to use the glitter or the shimmery eyeshadow. However, before that, I'm going to use the eye pencil again so that I can intensify the lash line a bit more because I feel it's looking a little lighter. You can leave it here and you can also put the kajal pencil again. I'm using it in the lower lash line so that it will look a little bit intensified, and also in the upper lash line for the same reason. As you can see, I'm putting this brown eye kajal pencil. This one has a beautiful color. This won't look very exaggerated or too much to wear. You can wear it in the daytime, you can wear it in the night time. It's just so perfect color that can be used in the functions or any occasions or on a daily basis. After smudging the kajal properly, now I'm going to take the shimmery shade that will create the glam look in the brown, soft brown eyeshadow look. And this is the shade that I have shown you. This is the beautiful glamming and the glowing brown eyeshadow. I'm putting it just at the middle of my eyelid, not everywhere. I'm not pulling it to the inner corner because that's just not needed. You need to put it at just the middle of your eyelid and then blend it with the other eyeshadows, in the lighter eyeshadows and with the darker eyeshadows at the inner corner. You have to blend it because otherwise it will look very patchy or overdone. I'm just using my fingertips to blend it so that it will look natural. And the shimmer will also get blended very easily. It's not like a chunky glittery particles. It's a very beautiful butter like eyeshadow that melts in within a second. It's a beautiful quality shimmer eyeshadow. I feel like it's a beautiful chocolatey, peachy chocolatey kind of color. This color is very beautiful and it looks really really nice in person actually. I feel that this particular shade from Nykaa eyeshadow is a one and done kind of eyeshadow. You can use it individually on your eyelid and this will look fantastic for any day functions or something like that. So as you can see, I have already done the left eye, the right eye, and now I'm going to create the same eye look in my right eyes as well. As you can see, I've already completed my left eye look. Now I'm going to make my eyebrows. I'm using Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil for this. This particular pencil also has comb to set up the entire eye look, and this also gives a very beautiful precise hair-like strokes on your brow. People who have very thinner eyebrows, it's very convincing for them. But I feel like this gives a bit wider kind of strokes, so people who want to draw their eyebrows may feel little inconvenient, but who usually have good to okayish kind of eyebrows, this is a very convenient eyebrow pencil for them. As you can see, I'm combing my eyebrows to set up the entire pigment. Sometimes it feels like it's overdone in person, although it doesn't feel on the camera, but it looks a little weird in person. That's why combing the hair, it's very, very important. I'm doing the same look. I'm just filling the empty areas in my brows and nothing else. I'm not even shaping it properly. Just feeling the empty areas in my eyebrows. And also after this, I'm going to comb the eyebrows so that everything looks put together well. This the last step, that is combing the eyebrows hair, really gives a beautiful flattered look on your eyebrows. You must be thinking that why I'm already wearing the lip color. I'm going to show you the step. I have already shooted it before and I forgot to show you, so keep watching. You must agree that no makeup look is completed without the lipstick application. So here I am going to show you the lipstick application, and for this particular look I'm going to pick up a beautiful brown color which is from Blue Heaven, and the shade name is Ginger Brown. It's a beautiful brown color suitable for each and every Indian skin tone. And as you can see, the applicator is so good. It's very convenient to line your lips. You don't even need a lip liner to line your lip, and then you don't have to apply the lipstick. The applicator does it all. However, coming to the lipstick's quality, it's a beautiful quality lipstick. The pigment is top notch. Also, the formula is non-drying, and most importantly, this particular lipstick shade has different colored undertones, which is very convenient for all the skin tones. If you apply it once or twice, it will give you a soft peachy brown color. If you apply 3 to 4 coat, it will give you a beautiful dark brown color having a reddish undertone that will look so beautiful on the medium to darker skin tone. I'm going to keep it soft peachy brown color, so I'm applying it 2 to 3 coat. However, I'm coming back with the complete look. So here it is, my beginner friendly brown eye makeup look. It will take you merely 10 to 15 minutes. It's extremely beginner friendly. Also, you don't need any brush or pro tool to complete this look. I hope you have liked this entire look. Do let me know in the comment section. Hope to see you very soon. Bye.